Hello, everybody, and welcome back to CS School for another Mindfulness Monday. I got a special guest here today. His name is Groovy Gary. Say hi to Groovy Gary.
Hi everybody, it's me, Groovy Gary, and I'm so happy to see you. What's going on?
So, Groovy Gary, he's a groovy guy. Some of his interests are what do you like to do, Groovy Gary?
I like to play the drums. I like to go on walks outside in nature, and I like to play with my friends, and I like to play on the jungle gym, and all that good kind of stuff.
Pretty cool, Groovy Gary. That's awesome, man. So, how's your day going so far today?
Um, yeah, it's going okay. I just got a short break to talk to you. But my mom said I gotta clean my room. Oh my goodness, it's so messy. I don't want to clean my room.
Oh, you got a messy room, huh? I'm sorry to hear that. Um, well, why might you want to clean your room?
I might want to clean my room because, I don't know. Why do I want to clean my room?
Well, is it easy to find stuff when you don't clean your room?
Oh, yeah. No, it's not easy to find stuff. I can never find anything when I don't clean my room.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, you should clean your room, because it'll help you to be able to find stuff and be more organized.
Yeah. Okay, that's a good reason to clean my room. What's another reason I can clean my room?
Let me think here. Do you feel more peaceful when you clean your room?
More peaceful? Let me think about it. Yes.
He feels more peaceful. I feel more peaceful when my room is clean, too, for sure, because I can see where everything is. Everything's nice and organized. Everything feels nice and simple. So that's pretty cool. That's awesome, Groovin' Gary.
Yeah, it's groovy. And by the way, it's Groovy Gary, not Groovin' Gary.
Oh, sorry about that. I didn't mean to mess up your name like that.
I know, just letting you know.
Alrighty, so let's see what else. Another reason to clean your room. Can you use all the things in your room when it's clean and you know where they are?
Let me think about it. Can I use all the things in my room? Yes. It's much easier to use the things in my room. I know where they are, and all the pieces are there, and I can find the stuff. So yes.
Whoa. So keeping your room clean can really help you to be more mindful. What do you think of that, Groovy Gary?
I think that's groovy. I'm gonna go clean my room so I can go out and play. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds great. That's awesome, Groovy Gary. Alrighty. Thank you for sharing with us. I think everyone really appreciated that. Did we appreciate that? Yeah, they did. They did.
Yay! I'm glad. That's so groovy. Alrighty. See you later. See you. Bye.
So yeah, that's what this show is all about today, is how keeping your room clean can actually really help you to also be more mindful. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed this CS School video. Wishing you a wonderful day. Bye-bye.